everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through an easy process on how to download Discover mobile banking application on your iPhone. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. In order to download Discover mobile banking application on your iPhone, the first thing to do is to check if you are connected to a strong internet or a cellular data. Turn on your Wi-Fi or a cellular data and get connected first. Now, head over to your App Store from the App drawer and give it a tap. Once you open up your App Store, go to the search box at the top and type in Discover in the search box. You'll be able to find the application displayed in the next page. Tap on the Get button to begin the downloading process right next to the mobile application displayed on the screen. Once the downloading process begins, wait until it finishes. Once the application gets downloaded on your mobile device, you can manage your Discover credit cards and bank accounts conveniently and securely from anywhere using your Discover mobile banking application on your mobile devices. You can check your balance, view your account info, make and edit payments, and much more. Soon after the application gets downloaded and it is ready for use, you'll be able to see an open button popping up right next to the app. Give it a tap in order to launch your app open. Allow necessary permissions for the application to function properly on your mobile device. The first interface of Discover Mobile will look like this. Simply go to the login button and log into an existing account of yours, quick and easy, without any problem. That is how you can do it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.